How to add account in WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can add account in WhatsApp. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. After the latest update on WhatsApp, you'll be able to use two different accounts on your WhatsApp on your device. Now how you can do so, let me guide you through. Simply open up WhatsApp and you'll be able to see this page right, your chats. You want to tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on the settings icon option there. Once on the settings, you'll be able to see this list of options. At the very top, you'll be able to see account option. Simply tap on account and head into account, and here if you look into it, you'll be able to see the add account option. Simply tap on add account there and then tap on add account, and here you can simply tap on agree and continue. Enter in your country code and your phone number, verify your account like you do while you're signing into your WhatsApp account, and you'll be able to add it. So this way you can add account in WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.